Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this ELEVOKE little space heater. Has a temperature sensor, tip over protection, low noise, overheat protection, and heats quickly. So we've got a little instruction manual here. Some nice packaging. Slide this little guy out of here. Also has a fan only option if that's what if you don't want the heater going. Let's just test out real quick how long the cord is, because that's always kind of nice to know. Man, they put a lot of extra twists in this one. Okay, it's about 4 feet long. It's not horrible. There's this little box here. All right, decent size. It's fairly lightweight, weighs I think about 3 pounds, so that's good. Didn't want anything too super heavy. Right, in the bottom it has this little rotating portion here, and it has the tip over protection, of course. Take that off the front there, it should tell our temperatures. Let's just go ahead and plug this in and see how well it works here. All right, we are plugged in, and it shows this little, ELEVOKE thing on there, flashing. So we have just the fan setting there. That puts out a decent amount of air there, nice and cool, as we can see. It's 67 degrees there on that. Okay, so we can have the little rotate thing there. Nice and slowly rotates around there. And goes back the other way. So it looks like it's about a, about a 90-degree-ish rotation. And all these are just one touch, so you could stop it where you want it to be. All right, so there's the heater, and right up here at the top it shows you what temperature it's at. That's F1, the first one I believe. Oh, I am sorry. So we have a timer here on this end. So that's my fault there. And it's counting down at 58 there. So that's the timer one. F1 is the function. So F1 is just cold. And then F2 is going to be the heater on low. So on low it uses, I think, 750 watts. And then on high it uses 1500 watts. So right away that's putting out some pretty good heat there actually. Nice and warm. It's actually at like 127 there. So right away, that heat was almost instant there. That's pretty nice. So it has this, I could turn off the little timer there, I think. The timer you can set for 2, 1, 2. I think this will be like a certain countdown on the minutes. And it'll turn off after that time. So 2 hours. I could set it for 3, 4. Okay, 0 hours. So that's putting out a lot of nice heat there. Actually, I can feel it like way out here. That's pretty good. And then now we have the third range, and that is, I can't even put my hand really that close. That is pretty hot there. Putting out some hot air for sure right away. I mean, we're looking at 230 in there, so putting out some pretty good heat. All right, so we're going to tip it over here. Right away, it shuts off. All right, so this front grill is a little warm. The sides aren't really hot at all. So actually, this is pretty hot. It is metal, so that the tipping feature worked out really nice. Puts out some really good air. See this like in a This is not to use it around water or stuff, but if you have like a cold bathroom and you're not running the shower or anything like that, maybe just you know, going in there for a while, it's sometimes nice to have a little bit of heater in there when you're reading a magazine or something like that. And but definitely not around water. You don't want a lot of moisture around this. But yeah, pretty impressed with the amount of heat this thing puts out. I mean, I have a little office here, and it'll heat it up in a hurry here. So nice little heater, my friends. I was really quite impressed with the features that it has. It's quiet too, doesn't make a lot of noise. The tipping feature, if a kid bumps into it or something like that. Obviously it's a little bit warm, so you don't want the children around it, but very nice. I'm pretty impressed. So anyways, thanks for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful and hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.